Hey guys, I got another Tokarev reloading video for you. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm not necessarily actually gonna show the reloading process. I'll just tell you what I did. And I strongly recommend you guys do not do this at home. But it's just for fun. Yeah, I was very impressed with this round. And the bullets I used were PPU, 71 grain jacketed hollow points, and I believe they're intended for 32 ACP. It says 32 on there. They're 308 diameter. You're probably asking, why are you using 308, not something bigger in diameter? Might be like throwing a hot dog down a hallway, but it's just for fun. Let's just see how they shoot. They might shoot okay, and the accuracy is questionable. I'll admit, but you'll see the velocity I get. It's kind of impressive. Use S&B brass, usually my go-to, for no particular reason. And I seem to be really liking Longshot. It's really good in 10mm auto. And I just want to see how it performs. It's a good medium pistol powder. And then primers, we just got CCI Magnum 550s. Why 550s? Well, it's what I have. That's pretty much it. Let's get it out to the range and I'll show you the velocity readings.
All right. God damn. All right. All right, we're just gonna do some function tests. See how she performs. I don't know where the point of impact is, but I can hit the close steel no problem. Big water jug test with Tokarev in 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Oh yeah, we got major jacket separation. Let's see. I mean, a lot of damage. That was a lot of damage, but yeah, kind of expected. It was just going so goddamn fast. It's not meant for this speed. All right, Tokarev versus Watermelon, and 3, 2, 1.
I mean, the primers don't look that bad. I mean, damn, maybe it flattened a little bit. It's still kind of round.